Okay, so now I want you to think about your drawing, your idea for the Greek vase. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get the template from Canvas and you're going to import it into Notability. You have 3 options as far as the template is concerned, so just choose the one that's closest to your actual Greek vase. In Notability, you can delete the other 2 pages, so you're just left with the template that is closest to your Greek vase. Next step is to consider what the actual design is going to be. Now you have a couple different stickers to work with, so I want you to consider these when you're doing your design. The first is these stickers, just round stickers. You have the reinforcement dots that are the O's. You have 2 different widths of masking tape, and you have these adhesive tabs, which are just straight. You can cut them in half or in quarters to create smaller pieces. So those are your options. I went through and did a couple sample designs. So we've got masking tape with half circles, we've got the reinforcement dots in circle or cut in half and woven together. This is the circle cut into pie pieces attached to a dot, and then we've got the tabs that are cut into straight lines. You also have the option of making your own custom sticker out of a vinyl that I have for you. You'll actually draw with a pencil on the back of the vinyl and cut out your own custom sticker. So if you can't come up with something with these samples, you can use a custom sticker. So the next step then is to consider your design. I did put several design ideas on Canvas, so this 4-page document is there that you can look at, and it's kind of a jump-off point. If you use it, great. If you don't find anything there, that's fine too. Come up with your own original idea. When you begin to draw your designs, many students will just draw a straight line. Now, in this project particularly, you can't cut that out, or that does not exist in a sticker. We have to actually add an extra line to it, and that gives it what we call weight. It's almost like making it a bubble letter. If you can shade in that design, then that means it'll work for this project. Again, those reinforcement dots are a circle within a circle. This part is the shaded part, which is the sticker, so that would work for this project. If you just did crisscrossing lines like this, those would not work because we can't cut them out of a sticker. You actually have to add weight to them, and a good test, the good rule of thumb is if you can shade it in, it will work. Okay, so with all of these ideas and taking all of this into consideration, you're going to take your design onto your template. Now this template is the closest to my Greek vase that I'm going to use as the sample. When you begin drawing, you're going to use Notability, and you can either click on the pen tool or the pencil tool. You can do colors if you want, or black and white is fine as well. This is just a sketch for you. Okay, you are going to upload it. It is an assignment. You'll get graded on completing it. But using the pen tool, you want to then draw your design on the Greek vase. Now most students find that the design looks best if it is on either the neck portion, the skinny portion, or what we call the belly, which is the biggest portion of the Greek vase. So you can see I put a series of reinforcement dots. These are the reinforcement dots. I put a series of them up along the top neck. Down here, I've come up with a design that has a reinforcement dot in the center. And then what I'm going to do is take the circle sticker. I'm going to take the circle sticker and I'm going to cut it into little moons. I'm going to stick the moons around the reinforcement dot, and it's going to create either like a flower or a sunburst shape. Around the sides in between, I'm going to do just that simple line that I drew before, And then I'm going to add half circles on the bottom half, just so that I can add a little bit more interest. So you can see that I drew this shape onto my template. You guys, again, are doing this in Notability, and then you're uploading this to Canvas.